Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your workbook in Excel. Saving your workbook is important so that you don't lose your work. Are you ready? Let's go. There are a few different ways to save your workbook in Excel. One way is to click on the File tab and then click on Save. This will save your workbook with the same name and location as it was when you created it. Another way to save your workbook is to click on the Save As button. This will open the Save As dialog box, where you can specify the name and location of your workbook. You can also choose to save your workbook in a different format, such as a PDF or a CSV file. It's important to save your workbook regularly, especially if you're working on a large or complex workbook. This will help to prevent you from losing your work if your computer crashes or if you accidentally close the workbook without saving it. You can also save your workbook by pressing Ctrl+S. You can save your workbook to a cloud storage service, such as OneDrive or Google Drive. This will allow you to access your workbook from anywhere. That's it for this video. I hope you learned how to save your workbook in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.